I'm one of the only Hellcat owners that actually drives their car like this. Like, I promise you, bro. Damn, bro. I don't know if you seen that shit. That bug was fat as fuck.
Literally, bro.
Hit the fuck out my windshield, bro. What's his problem? Help me. What the fuck is your problem? Are you good? Do you want to race?
You want to smoke?
You
want to smoke? You want to smoke?
Bro, what's going on? Bro, imagine that was a cop right there.
Oh, God.
I would have got that, man. Hold on, you just gotta...
Fuck it.
So nice. She, bro, hold on. Doesn't it feel great?
Very.
I'm not gonna lie, some dude started flashing his high beams at me back there, like back there in the other group of cars. So expect a cop in a second.
No cap.
About to hit a quick ass U.
Jesus Christ. It's crying.
You can see this little Dodge dealership down here. It's the best place ever. You'll figure it out. Gasoline's on fucking E. Fucking E. You don't know who it is. It's the kid himself. Yes, sir. We pulled up to the what that is. That's the Nissan. Yes, sir. Hold on. We got the Trackhawk already in sight. Yes, sir. Hold on. What that is? That man's got the Daytona. Yes, sir. And you got a 392 over here, bro. I don't get it. I don't understand this dealership.
We gotta go look at the SRT Jeep.
That's a bet. That's a bet. That's a bet. Hold on. What we got here?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Mark my words. I'm gonna get one. Mark my word. He's gonna replay this video.
Oh, we got an SRT Durango right here.
God, hold on.
What's going on?
I'm about to change my mind.
Bro, this Dodge dealership going crazy. 2 Porsches out here. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, you see it? You see it?
Oh my God.
When was the last time you seen a Range Rover SVR, bro?
Look at the brakes. What car do y'all know that has those type of brakes?
Are these vents real?
Cap.
Post in the comment section. They got little slits on it. Hold on.
Wait. Yeah, they are. They're real.
Okay. Range Rover going crazy with the dark gas tints and shit. Range Rover SVR with the quad tips. Yes, sir. Hold on. I might play an exhaust clip right here. Hold on. Throw it up on camera. We back at it. You already know.
Well, I need a Hellcat, but they're too expensive. So if I do end up buying one, it's because of Chris. Chris gave me the money.
What is that?
$60,000.
What y'all think that is? Crazy. You're looking at the original Grand Cherokee?
For me?
That's a bet. Let me get this man in the camera since he asking for you. What you got going on?
What?
What
Hey,
you got
man.
going on?
You already know what I got going on.
Yes, sir.
Selling everything.
Of course.
You see this video, you come out here, you better see me. Me only. I'ma know you seen this video. And I promise, I see you with somebody else, we gonna have a problem. Trouble.
It's just a bunch of Hellcats and track hawks.
Hellcats and track hawks. Let's get it.
This is what this man is planning on getting right here.
Bro, I need you, bro. This is what I'm trying to trade in, bro.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to trade in.
Big body track hawk. Hold on, you see it in the seats. Yes, sir. Wait.
God, I'm going to get
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You got the identical wide bodies. Clean. We back at the Nissan dealership with the ice cream van, bro. Oh no, you gotta shout out McDonough Nissan, bro. No. You got the keys over there. Sitting all nice. Bro, I already fucked that nigga up, bro. Good lord. But what he got?
Got that goddamn sour head junk. I don't know what it is. It tastes good though. Y'all see me sweating, bro.
Yes, bro. It's hot as hell out here, bro. Still surprises me, bro. I don't get it. It still surprises me. Like, not like, oh shit, I got a Hellcat, but like, it still jumps me. You feel me? Like, the power. I would love to do a little something, but this car just so happened to just be right there. I mean, we're in Mexico, so you know how these roads are.
We love Mexico.
Hey, here's what it is. We chilling. Yes, sir.
Oh my God.
This car, it just keeps pulling, bro. Like, oh, yo, you can still feel, oh my goodness, bro, this car is crazy. But what's crazy is I want more horsepower. Like, I don't know why that is.
Bro.
Like, I don't know.
Oh my God. This car is ridiculous. I mean, you can never not want more horsepower. You know?
I gotta go hit a gas station, bro. Bro, you wanna see fucking Hellcat problems, bro? Look at this shit, bro. I know you see it, bro. I know you fucking see it, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Yo. This car feels so good. This car. Hey man, that's gonna do it for today. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I had to fill up on that 50, bro. You feel me? I wasn't really trying to go over, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That's too much. That's too much money, bro. It's too much money, bro.
Too much. Way too much money. Yeah, I can't be spending that. Don't do it.
But yeah, I'm finna end this here. Car feels great. Setup is amazing, bro. I hope you enjoy those polls and everything like that. Hopefully I'm gonna be uploading more content to come and stuff like that. Just like, follow, subscribe for more. You feel me? I'm gonna try and be consistent. I'm gonna try and be consistent.
Go crazy. I'm gonna keep him consistent.
You better. But yeah, I'll see y'all later. Slendy out. Yes, sir.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for you.